Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and as you can see, I am playing some Super Mario Bros. On my TV. So let me actually show you something right here. This is my Xbox controller right here, and I'm actually playing this on my Xbox One. But if you guys don't believe me, there's proof right there. I am on my Xbox One. I'm going to do a little bit of back and forth. A little bit of ducking, as you guys can see. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get this. Let me see if I can actually attempt to save this, so I can do that. Okay, just use this. See if I can figure this out really quick. Okay, I got no clue, but let's go ahead and quit out of this. So, first I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to use it before I show you how to get it. Because to use this, it is a little bit weird how to actually fully use it. It's through a weird web browser that can actually run code. And the guy who made this was, if you guys remember before, I made a video about a app that was basically Kodi before Kodi was fully released, called Exodus. And this app right here is made by the same guy, and it can actually run Exodus on here through websites and multiple other things. It was kind of complicated. He talked about it in one of his videos. His name is Bonga Software, if you guys want to look him up. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open this up right here. And I'm going to go to the website that he provided. You guys can use your own website, of course. There's the URL right there, but I will link it in the description. You can go ahead and use your OneDrive too to do custom ROMs. So what you'd want to do is when you go to this website, you'd want to favorite, of course. Home, settings, all that. One of the things I'd recommend you guys to do is go to settings and disable advertisements. It costs $10, but trust me, when you guys see the advertisements, you're going to be like, what the fuck is this? Because in the middle of playing it, like after 30 seconds into it, a big video ad that's 30 seconds or 20 seconds long popped up. Kind of surprised me. So, as you can see, this has multiple emulators on here. If I go, for example, if I do a link to the past, I click it, and it automatically starts it up. Now, this is an SNES game, of course, guys. Now, one of the things I can't figure out... Oh, there we go. That's how I do it. So we can go ahead and hit stop. See if I can get back down to here. This is a multi-emulator. See if I can try and figure out how to pull up the pop-up about it. There we go. So if we go to right here, these are all of the emulators that are in here so far. FCE means an NES. SNES means SNES, of course. This right here is Nintendo 64. GameBat, which I'm guessing is a Game Boy emulator. I don't know about Game Boy Advance. VBA might be Game Boy Advance. I'm not sure. Melon DS is Nintendo DS emulator. This is the Genesis. This is the PlayStation 1. Whatever that is, I have no idea. Whatever that is, I have no idea. And again, whatever that is, I again have no clue. I have no clue what that is. It kind of looks like a weird PSP, so it might be a PSP. That is whatever the hell it is. I have no clue. Again, I have no clue, and I have no clue again. Now, I have no idea what SOE is, so I'm going to guess it is an SNES game. Let's see if it plays it. And it is. So as you guys can see, it did actually go ahead and start. And it seems like in order to bring that pop-up up, you got to like hit the back button. There we go. You got to hit the back button and the start button at the same exact time. You can even save it right here. As you see, slot 6 and all of that. So if I go ahead and put it into slot 1, save. And as you guys see, I got the notification saying it's saved. So if I... There we go. Seems like you hit back and then start, not at the same time. So if we go ahead and go back into here, slot 1, load. Yeah, see, that's how you do it. You hit back and then select. So let's go ahead and stop playing this. Alright, so right here is Final Fantasy 1 and 2 on the Game Boy Advance. So let's see if I was right about the other thing. Let's see if I was right about this being a Game Boy Advance emulator. And it is. So as you can see, we can even play Game Boy Advance emulators. So all of you little Pokemon fans can play all of your favorite Pokemon games on here. I personally don't like Pokemon. But yeah, it does have sound too. The sound does not skip. I can go ahead and turn it on for a second. You got all that high quality 8-bit right there. So now let's go ahead and show you guys how to get it. Please do remember that what you guys want to do is you probably want to bookmark this website because it is pretty easy to do it from directly from this site. Now, due to my channel, and a lot of people will be downloading this app using it, there's a chance that the website may not be able to handle the traffic, so it might go down. Again, I highly recommend you guys to go ahead and use your own OneDrive account for this, or Dropbox, or whatever you'd want to use. I know OneDrive should work. I'm not 100% sure about some of the other ones. So yeah, mess around and try quite a few different things. But yeah, do have fun with this. I don't know how long this will be in the store, so do try to get it ASAP. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to install. You want to head on over to the store, go down to the search button, click that. Then we're going to type in XBrowse. So go ahead and start typing in XBRO. And then it should pop up just like that. Let me go ahead and focus this in. So if I go ahead and go up, I can click on it. And then you'd want to go ahead and tap in the install button. Now where it says launch for me, it will actually say install for you guys. And there is a free version that has advertisements, but you can pay $10 to remove the ads. Again, I recommend supporting the developer and doing that because I believe it cost $100 for him to put this app in there, or to at least pay for the developer ID to be able to do it, just like the similar cost on the actual Apple Store. But yeah, this app is highly worth it, and do get this app ASAP, because if this does get removed, which I'm pretty sure it will be a very long time until we see something similar to this again. I had to drop everything I was doing to upload this video. It is actually 5 in the morning for me. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like and tell me if you guys want to see me make more Xbox One videos. It's going to be just about it. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.